Welcome to Rajesh Lekharu. Today our topic is partial differential equation. Its subtopic is the Euler's theorem problem. See, this is very most important problem. దీంతో పాటు మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలని అనుకుంటే లర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్ విత్ రజని అనేది మనకి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉందండి. మీరు ఇంకా ఫ్లూయెంట్లీగా బాగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. అది మనకి తెలుగుతో పాటు చెప్తూ ఉంటాడు. సో దాంతోపాటు మన ఛానల్ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. దానికంటే ముందు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం, ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్, verify Euler's theorem for u equal x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y, and also prove that dou square u by dou x dou y equal x square minus y square by x square plus y square. But solution here, solution given u equal x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, now see here, this is u of x comma y value. U is the dependent variable, x and y both independent variables. Okay, now substituting x replaces kx and y substituting ky. Okay, u of kx comma ky, that equals kx whole square tan inverse ky by kx minus ky whole square tan inverse kx ky. Okay, see here k get cancelled, here also k get cancelled. Now k square x square tan inverse y by x minus k square y square tan inverse x by y. See, k square is the common here, right? X square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. Okay, see here, this is from equation 1. This value is u, k square u of x comma y. Okay, now k order, what is the k power is 2, therefore order is 2. Therefore see here clearly u is a homogeneous function of order 2. Now see here, since n equals 2, because by Euler's theorem, by using Euler's theorem we have x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals n into u. Now here n equal, what is that? 2. X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals 2u. This is equation number 2. Now we find here dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y, substituting in equation 2, then we will get a 2u. Okay, clearly, right? First we find here dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x. Right. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x. Okay. Dou u by dou x into, what is that? X square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. See here, this is u into v. Do you know here first term u x involving x, second term also involving x. Okay, this is where you apply u into v formula, and y square is a constant, only this term dou by dou x we are applying here. Do you know that? What is that? Since uv whole dash equals u dash v plus uv dash, using formula here, what is that? Dou by dou x into x square tan inverse y by x plus x square dou by dou x into tan inverse y by x minus y square dou by dou x into tan inverse x by y. This term. Okay, this is u into v term. Now see here, do you know here dou by dou x into dou by dou x into tan inverse x. What is that? Dou by dou x into tan inverse x formula. See, 1 by 1 plus x square. Dou by dou x into 1 by x equal, what is that? Minus 1 by x square. Okay, remember that this one. See here, and also dou by dou x into x to the power of n equal n into x to the power of n minus 1. Using these three formulas involving here, right? Dou by dou x into x to the power of n. Okay, right? This value is 2x. Okay, right? Tan inverse y by x plus x square. This is tan inverse x form. Okay, 1 plus y by x whole square. See here, not x here. This is y by x. Inner derivative dou by dou x into y by x minus y square. This is also 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square. Right, inner derivative dou by dou x into x by y. Okay, right, that equal 2x tan inverse y by x plus x square 1 by, see here LCM, x square plus y square by x square. Now see, y square by x square. Now LCM here, x square plus y square by x square. Now y constant taken outside, dou by dou x into 1 by x. Okay, right, minus y square. See, this is also here, y square plus x square by y square. Okay, now 1 by y is a constant, dou by dou x into x. Okay, clearly, right, that equal 2x tan inverse y by x plus see here x square. This taken to numerator here, x square by x square plus y square. Right, what is that? This is minus 1 by x square. Okay, right, y into minus 1 by x square get cancelled, minus y square. See, this is also taken to numerator here, y square by y square plus x square into 1 by y. Dou by dou x into x, what is that? 1. Okay, clearly? See here. What is that? See, that equal 2x tan inverse y by x plus, see, plus into minus y x square. Okay, minus y x square by x square plus y square. Okay, minus, see here, y get cancelled, y square into y cube, minus y cube by y square plus x square. Okay, that equal to 2x tan inverse y by x minus, see, minus common here, y x square plus y cube by x square plus y square. Now see here, this LCM here. Okay, clearly, right, that equal to 2x tan inverse y by x. Now minus y common here. Okay, minus y common here. What is that? X square minus x square plus y square by x square plus y square. Okay, right, x square plus y square cancel, that equal to 2x tan inverse y by x minus y. This is dou u by dou x. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Okay, clearly, right? Now equation 2 here, what is that? Dou u by dou x, 2x tan inverse y by x minus y. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నా అంటే మనకి బోర్డు చిన్నగా ఉందండి. సో రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y. డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ equation 1 partially with respect to y, we get, right, dou u by dou y, that equals dou by dou y into x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. Okay, see here, x square is the constant here, dou by dou y into tan inverse y by x minus, see, this is u, this is v, u into v formula, dou by dou y into y square tan inverse x by y plus y square dou y into tan inverse x by y. Okay, right. See here, simple way, using these three formulas here we applying, that equal to x square 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square dou by into and inner derivative y by x minus 2 by tan inverse x by y plus y square. See, this is also 1 plus x by y whole square dou by into x by y. Okay, right. Now see, that equal x square into, now 1 by y square by x square, LCM here x square plus y square by x square. Okay, now dou by into y, what is that? 1. Now 1 by x minus 2 by tan inverse x by y plus and minus. See here, y square 1 by y square plus x square by y square. Now inner derivative x common here, dou by into 1 by y, what is that? Minus 1 by y square. Now using this formula. Okay, clearly, right? See here, now x get taken to numerator here, that equal x square into x square by x square plus y square into 1 by x get cancelled here, right? Minus 2y, this side, tan inverse x by y. See, minus y square, this taken to numerator here, y square by x square plus y square into minus x by y square. Y square get cancelled. See here, x square into x cube, x square plus y square. Okay, minus into minus plus x y square plus x y square by x square plus y square minus 2 by tan inverse x by y. Okay, right. See here, now this LCM here, what is that? X cube plus x y square by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse x by y, that equal to x common here, x square plus y square by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse x by y. X square plus y square get cancelled, that equal to x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. This is dou u by dou y, equation number 4. Okay, equation number 4. See here, do you know here equation number 2? From equation 2, what is that? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal 2u. 2u రావాలి, మనం 2u ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 3 ఏంటి? dou u by dou x, x into 2x tan inverse y by x minus y. Okay, plus y into equation number 4, x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. Okay, right. Since by equation 3 and 4, that equals, see here, 2x square tan inverse y by x minus xy plus xy minus 2y square tan inverse x by y. మరి ఈక్వేషన్ 2 ఏంటి? మరి మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 రాస్తున్నాం, dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y ఈక్వల్ 2u రావాలి. మనం ఈ దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి, 2u ని. ఎందుకంటే దీన్ని గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్, 2 ని కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? x స్క్వేర్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ y by x మైనస్ y స్క్వేర్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x by y. చూడండి, ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ఏనా? అందుకే దీన్ని నేను స్టార్టింగ్ నుండి దాన్ని మలపకుండా అలానే పెట్టాను, రబ్ చేయకుండా అలానే ఉంచాను. కాబట్టి ఏంటంటే దట్ ఈక్వల్ 2u. therefore x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to u is Euler's theorem is verified. Okay, Euler's theorem is verified. Okay, and therefore Euler's theorem is verified అని చెప్పేసి సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేముంది దీంట్లో మనం చేయాల్సింది, ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోలేదండి. ఇక్కడికి యూలర్స్ థియరమ్ వెరిఫై చేసాం. దాని తర్వాత ఏమన్నాడు మనకి, ప్రూవ్ దట్ డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ డో వై ఈక్వల్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్, దాన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ 3 ఈక్వేషన్ 4 వచ్చింది. ఈక్వేషన్ 4 ఏంటండి, డో యూ బై డో వై, డో యూ బై డో వై ఇది మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ 4. ఓకే, from equation number 4, dou u by dou y equal what is that, x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ 4 కి ఏం చేద్దాం మనం, ఆల్రెడీ డో యూ బై డో వై వచ్చేసింది. సో డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డో వై దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డో యూ బై డో వై that equal to dou by dou x into x minus 2y tan inverse x by y, right? That equal to dou by dou x into x minus 2y dou by dou x into tan inverse x by y. Okay, dou by dou x into x, what is that, 1 minus 2y. See, this value is 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square and inner derivative x by y that equal 1 minus 2y c 1 by y square plus x square by y square. Now this value dou by dou x into x, what is that, 1 by y that equal 1 minus 2y. See, this taken to numerator y square by x square plus y square into 1 by y get cancelled here. Okay, right, that equals 1 minus 2y into y, 2y square by x square plus y square that equal LCM here, x square plus y square plus y square minus 2y square that equal x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Therefore dou square u by dou x into dou y equals x square minus y square by x square plus y square. ఇదండి ప్రూఫ్. దీంట్లో మీకు డౌట్ ఉందంటే కామెంట్ పెట్టండి అమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్